oduntuni kama sense mfo be na ekoso we social media ne so na obobo bloggers bidi na ano ya di ai but me mbodi no wobobo wo mo asebe de na nim pese ye fam e wo social media so eye Harry ni ami ensem e ba ye wo ma tag Wendy she say ye Harry enso ni Wendy atwi so celebrate sa Harry ni omo edida no ye Wendy din abepiem Wendy so abekasa se hey wonu oyo brafo badada na wo ye nurse ni wa brochire no hu se nurse ne no ye nadwuma enti ndwum no wo beto no ba Ghana se santan enti Ghana ha se na wo bae no wono ne ndwum ho adwuma na wo ye emre bi grant interview ene ye ka kire ye bisa ne se e was starting ndwum to dey pan wa achieve wom okobo iPhone Ghana for be ye no ne ade se sister enti wo ba nyu to anya bibia bibi papa bia se iPhone ai na ka Ghana for expect se wo be ka so ofie miensa o islegum senia amanfo adi islegum aboso o wo cars du o wo se nu debi iPhone na watimi ato because o start here na wo no ankasa ntimi sika ento iPhone enti se watumi ato a eno ye ne priority o di ka ese te sia de watumi ato iPhone because wo no mfa no nkohihye MPB masa bibi MPB mbeto sa ne ma ne ma no anase minister bi emfa no mbehihye no ma wo no onton ni padua no enti sa bloggers na ayekeka se woni Henry sikani na twisu na wonim ni babia wonim ni babia wonti ni din kra wonti ntan so da enti se mo njai sabi ni din eni na nim na modi ye fom na wono akasa preba apeni sika a wono wonya yomboy owemfo bi te se me ba ta wono kro ni ne be ebe ware na che se wono no won hyeda pesika fo sa enti munja ni din na sabi mo say no na wono wo bone bra enye be ma bia sika ena wode ti eye Ghana ha in fact Wendy wakasa pa mayenko Wendy wonko fo no akasa ne no nsem emra
first of all say na me kan you know my basa me babe address some issues be before I address the issue let me say something about myself. So me Wendy Shay, I am a very real person. Me enipa bia I don't fake. I cut my coat according to my size, you know. And me impreme hu abrabomu. I don't sade nya media menka say media. You feel what I'm saying? Samobakaya, I granted some interview there. I was talking about, you know, the things that I have been able to achieve. And I mentioned iPhone. And I remember say a lot of people made a mockery out of what I said. And no kremu die, no credit back when you feel me. At first, before I made back Ghana, me share my music career, and I said yes, I couldn't afford, you know, to pay an iPhone, you know, in cash. I couldn't afford it. And in the same time now me here interview, you know, that was like let's say a year after, you know, my name was everywhere. I had the money to pay for an iPhone and all these things. And it was a big deal for me because obi first na mean to me enter iPhone cash. They say me sikato iPhone. It was a big deal, but people laughed at me because they thought say hey dear almost expected said they were not that time you know, maybe I should be, you know, meaning what they were expecting me to do. Says I mean Korea because I mean no being me like, you know, mentor me hona me sika me fam flaunting. I don't know what they were expecting from me, but I am not that kind of person. Me say me bo me show be near me say 5,000 cedis. You tia me 100,000 cedis. Whatever sika you tia me no. Me, I am okay with it. Me tell me one corner. I'm not greedy. And I'm in my pressure and for me. Do you feel me? Me that real. But then yamiadum look at me now. I can afford a Range Rover. You know? I can afford it. God has blessed me. I like to build. So that's just me. What you are saying? Me not that kind of girl. I'll bet me. I can say, okay, you are going to link me to a big man, or you are going to link me to say, "Dear boy, being you know, you can link Wendy Shay." You know, I don't do that. I am not about that life. Everybody do them. Sikeni biamra out. Sikeni bia or see only Wendy Shay ada. I would see any sikan only Wendy Shay ada. Omra out no be boni din ka say I have done that. Omumbisa sakawani boy bia say Wendy only Wendy Shay aye bibia waji sikana, whatever it is. Me, I go fit deal with the hustler. I go fit deal with the hustler, or building a life. I mean, him say, okay, we are building something somewhere. We are going somewhere. Do you understand? Like, I go fit deal with someone who is grinding. Minya normal guy bia, me who saw what vision, you know, or onim baby. I go fit deal with that person. Me, I'm not a material girl. I am okay with it. And everybody knows that. I came to do music. I came to sell music and nothing else. And you know, I am warning the bloggers. Matisse, I say, Obini Obia Kwakoda and Sensembe Brena. Me who say bloggers nibi. Bloggers need be the unprofessional ones, no. Oma family nim and omode atare boy nim na air trend say I am one of the celebrities on your my IVB. Ah, boy nipo maintain it. Now I don't even know who that guy is. Now I am warning these bloggers. A GH page, those called celebs, hello vibes. Any blogger wa family nim and I watch show me din aka the list of celebrities. You hear from my lawyer. You hear from my lawyer. And I'm going to sue you guys. Gone are the days I'm about for no more bully me. Went through a lot of cyber bullying. Gone are the days. And then now when the Shane Shatawale Akodai, now when the Shane Kwame Eugene, yo, say I have time for you guys. Obi bia, obi defame me. Obi try to destroy my hard-earned reputation. You are going to hear from my lawyer. Do you know the amount of money that has been invested in my brand to get where I am today? Obi kote baby the WhatsApp list be a bar. Now, so-called, some of these so-called bloggers, Alpha, now they stories. And people are also believing it because, yes, of course, they will believe what they see. It's not true. I am telling you. Say boot for boot. Boot for boot. I'm telling you. Bloggers na mabubomudin GH page. Those called celebs. Hello vibes. Amu trantro edimidin afrafra adiebi aminim hoshe no. You guys are going to hear from my lawyer. You guys are going to hear from my lawyer. Now more, if I'm that kind of person, I'm a yes idea now. And come on, the way I'm a buyer now, be I try to bringing me there like most of the people. And now when the share say, I don't think a big man be umbra out in the car. So when you when the shade umbra out in the car. I work hard. I work so hard. I play shows. We both shows and then I do many my bread and I do me record. I'm just recording songs, doing playing shows, traveling here and there, working hard. Now baby now almost try to defame and destroy Ejuma Meye. No. This time I'm not gonna allow that. I will not allow that. Huh? There are some women and I think Kofobi or Homo per se. I'm a bomb homo de wabrabu. You know, many brade, many brade. Musa party, what is when the shame and I'm party the acida. Have you guys seen me partying here and there? No. I'm about business. I came here to sing. I came to Ghana to do music, and that's what I am doing. And to the fans, Shay Gang, me the banga be beba, and to more watch it out. More watch it out. Someone say Wendy, she whenever I drop, it's a bang. I miss you guys so much. I love you guys. Keep supporting. Keep supporting. Chale, like me both pound. Me both pound. Like I beg say, people, someone like Wendy shouted, like the one many crying in Ayamea. I've been working so hard. Working so hard. And everybody Bia is for music. And nothing else. I do music. More these bloggers me charities. I help people in the community. I have an NGO that is doing so much, giving back to the society. I know they are more blogging. You guys don't blog about those things. Intro. Is that what journalism is about? Tarnishing the image of people. Is that what journalism is about? Yeah, Charlie. Only president's name. Big men me DMs more, you know, chasing me with money and all of that. But no, I'm not about that life. Says boy be sakawanya sikana. Yenim brisika me obiant me for sikanda dame. Money no they move me like that too. Say me ye majma na me nya misika bo me show na me nya misika kakra. I am okay. I am okay. Very content with what I have. And to know, yeah, they may walk on no Shay Gang. I love you guys so much. Your mother, your queen. I'm working hard. And Chalibanga be a better hon. Muyemba shemo. Someone named Semedie. Nyankupon domintino. We never disappoint. You know what I'm saying? Into no way there. It was just a quick message. Into no, yeah, bloggers na me bomudin. Any blogger biara wa fami din. Any menim. Edi yes adie.
Wendy patchre mayo ni nyina se wo se ye mia ye ho enye ni nyina ne enye omo ene nam social media ni so nyina celebrities ni nyina na sabi wo mo ton akosua dompo e de ye wo no de oye hozla dada no de penisika e kwentwa na mbeso ene wi makra.